Alrighty, boys, we are finna get out a trade. They come back to break even. We'll just take the L. I don't like that wick though. But yeah, we are in the trade right now, trying to hold it. I don't like how it's a Friday, so the market is super choppy, super like I don't know how to explain it. I don't like how the market is moving today. Uh, so I'm managing my risk pretty well. Managing my risk pretty well today. I'm not gonna try not to lose any profits. But I just don't like how choppy. Like as y'all can see, this is the 1 hour time frame over here. Extremely choppy. Should just start ripping now. See it start pushing down extremely heavy. Pulling. Once we get to like 500, I explain my there we go. Okay, let's explain this trade for today. Well, I explain afterwards so I don't mess up the TikTok. It's good. We should start back pushing back down, and for these last 50 seconds right here, start running through. Yup, there we go. You see that? See, we good right now. Good sales, man. Good sales. That's all my profit back. Well, my loss I had from yesterday. Trailing stop. Only reason we trailing stop like this is because the market is extremely choppy. Yeah. So if we don't keep this drop, then keep this little run off. I want to secure some profit for today. Yeah, there we go, bro. That's the drop we looking for, man. Keep on going. Keep on going. 30 more points. TP right there, bro. TP right there. Running straight to TP, look like it. Trailing. Come on. 10 more points. 10 more points. 740. All right, we're going to take it there. TP. It would have kept running. I was getting anxious, though. And that would have been TP. Smooth, easy, simple. So, yeah, let's go over today's trade. How we made that money right there. And how I ended up catching sales. All right. I just said we ended up taking like around here. Now, the reason I got out right here, because I'm pretty sure it's an SMT. Oh, we already ran through. Oh, never mind then. I got out right there because I thought it was an SMT. So I thought we could reverse. But, and that would have been TP. So, give me 1 second. Show full TP. That would have been full TP right there. Oh, there we go. Full TP would have hit. All right, so let's talk about today and how we ended up catching these sales for today. All right. So first off, starting off yesterday, during New York PM session, we were pretty bearish. Ended up dropping down extremely heavy. Ended up flying down. So I wanted to catch these sales over here. That was my main thing, to catch these sales. So of course I want to figure out the good spots where sales will present themselves at. And so I drew out my range or my OTE, and it got me to around this area. Let's just mark it out. Got me to around this area right here. Boom. All right. So this is my OTE range. So I'm going to be looking for sales around this area. The next thing is my volume profile tool. So as we can see, this overnight session right here, Asia and London session, point of control lined up perfectly around the OTE, and that's what I try to do. I try to get the point of control and the OTE all to line up with each other so the trade makes sense. right? As you can see, the first time we hit this level, we ended up dropping off. Second time we came and hit the level, we put in an SMT right here. SMT got put in, and then we started to dump down. And I got in at this count on this second counter because I knew if we were going to continue up, we would have kept pushing out, kept having bullish buying pressure. And all this liquidity over here is sell side liquidity anyway. So once we broke through this level on the 3 minute, I broke through this chop. Let me show you. Once we broke through this chop, let me delete this. Once we broke through this chop right here, I ended up catching the breakout for sales. SMT, 3 minute within a 5 minute fair value gap. 5 minute fair value gap. SMT manipulation. This would be our manipulation leg, and I just caught the distribution on the breakout trade, lined up with my volume area low and OTE of this range. This was a really good trade, really smooth trade. As you can see, we are dumping. We probably are going to just take out these lows down here. That's probably what I'm expecting to see. These lows get taken out. That's why I got it marked out, because these are equal lows. So we're probably going to end up getting out like around 660. This would be the full range. But yeah, you never know, man. That's why I ended up getting out early. But I could have got my little extra $100 if I needed to. But that is it right there, bro. Nice clean trade for today. I'm going to get off. Hopefully this helped. I love y'all boys.